Here's your tea.
Thanks a lot.
Chris,
Yes?
what's the date today?
It's the 29th. Why do you ask?
It's Sophie's birthday on Thursday.
Is it?
Yes. And I haven't got a present for her.
Oh. Have you got a card?
Yes, I have.
Oh, well, that's okay then.
But I want to get her a present too. She's one of our best friends.
Okay then, let's get her a present.
Right. What shall we get her?
Oh, I don't know. What about an MP3 player?
No, I don't think so. I think she's got one.
Okay then. Why don't we get her a book?
Maybe. But she's got lots of books.
This is difficult, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
I know. Let's get her a DVD.
Yes, that's a good idea. Sophie and Marcus watch a lot of DVDs.
And I think they've got a new TV.
OK. Which DVD shall we get?
Let's get her a film. Then we can watch it first.
Chris?